morning, guys. Yeah, we're going to check out of this hotel. Hey, look at this. This is what I. Yeah, this is the tube that was flat last night. In here, in the same place where it's was punctured. It's not a good time to be flat in the dark and in the highway. Yeah, because there is very little space on the wings of the road, and yeah, it's a highway. The car running fast, but I was able to fix it in less than 1 hour. It is easy because the tire, the front tire and the back tire are both quick release, so it's easy to take out the tire. And yeah, I was able to fix it. It's good that I bought a new tube before getting to travel to here. Most of the hotel they let me put the bike inside the room. It's nice because I also choose the hotel. I choose the one that is like a motor inn, where you can just park and get inside. I choose that one. And I have here some laundry that I need to wash. This hotel they don't have laundry, so I'm going to wash that when I get to the next stop. Also, this one that I'm wearing, I'm not comfortable anymore, but yeah, I need to wait for the next stop. Okay, I'm going to make it ready and we are going. I stayed in that hotel last night. That is Squatters Homestead Motel. Yeah, just in front of the KFC and McDonald's. I had my KFC last night, and there is also a church on that side, and most of the groceries, I mean the center of this town, is just behind these houses. Yeah, this is part of the center of the town. In here there are many banks and shops and restaurants. Oh, nice. Cool. Because casino is not located in the coastal area of Australia. This one is in the like a maybe just 3 hours from the coastline of Australia.
Byron Bay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You're riding, are you?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Yesterday I started in Grafton.
Grafton. And you rode to here.
They have more like old buildings, good looking. Oh, this is the tape here in North Coast, here in Casino. Tape is technology and further technical and further education. This is a river, as you can see down there. Yeah, and the other side is like a grassland, like a park. I don't know. If you can see those small houses, they called it cabin. Yeah, inside is nice. That's actually the same size of the apartment, the granny flat where I am staying. This is the same road where we go through last night, and yeah, basically it's a ground like this, and there are so many cows on that side. Yeah, big trucks are passing in this way, and the road there are just exactly 2 lanes. Yeah, this one is just overtaking space, but on that side there is no left or right wings for the bicycle. Yeah, there's no bike lane, and still far and still a long way to go. I think the next one is the Lismore, another town here in New South Wales. So what happened is, yeah, the bike is stopped. I thought there's something like a brake. Then I saw the tire that is, I mean the tube that is out of the tire, and it was exploding. And then suddenly it is exploding. Yeah, this is the new tire that I just bought yesterday. I think it's going to be easy because I have the, you know, yeah, I have the old one from, yeah, the one that is already punctured. But before leaving the hotel, I already put the patches, and I hope it's going to work well here. The thing is, we are in the middle of this. Look at this. Yeah, there's no chance that I will be able to use this again. Patches cannot work, will not work with this one. Yeah, I bought it yesterday, $10, and this is how it is now. We're going to put this back. This is the original one, but I just put the patches before leaving the hotel this morning. Look at that, I am seeing another bikepackers. So nice. Good morning! Amazing. He has so many things in his bike. We are now entering the town of Lismore. They have airport on that side. We are now in Lismore. We are actually looking for a bike shop because we are again going to buy a new tube for the possibility of another punctured. Lismore, they have a lot of you know, car dealer shop. Yeah, I've seen from that side. Yeah, they have this church here in Lismore in front of Walmart. Yeah, we're not going inside because we are nothing to buy. We're looking for the bike shop somewhere there. Yeah, they have buildings here in Lismore that is similar to the one in Bruges in Belgium. Yeah, the only difference is that mostly in the Belgium are castles. Here are just ordinary houses, I mean ordinary buildings. Yeah, just like that. This is Harry's cycle, and the guy inside is really kind, really nice. He said to me that if I want to keep the bike inside and I can go walk around the area, so that, you know, yeah, that's a good gesture. Yeah, we're going to look for a place to eat. Hindi. Sa Nelson Bay. Malayo, sa Newcastle.
Ba't ka nag-bike ka lang?
Bike lang ako. Nagdaan po ng Filipino restaurant eh.
Ako lang naman nandiyan. Nung naparto ko. Talaga? Kaya yung apartment, wala na namang wala pa. Nag-bike ka lang?
dito?
Ha?
Wala naman.
Hindi kita mo naman yun. Mag-drive ka lang talaga.
Oo.
Pego.
Chef, anong pangalan mo? Chef ano?
Harmony.
Chef Harmony.
Harmony.
Marmony.
Harmony.
Chef Marmony.
Sige, sige,
Yeah, I
sige.
was passing there and yeah, she greet me.
Dito eh. Hindi ka na, wala ka nang makikita ngayon.
Ah, ganun? Ah, sige. Kakain ako ma. Yeah, I eat Filipino food. Nice. Noodles. And lumpia Shanghai. Very nice. Salamat!
Ay, salamat. Sige, salamat Ben.
Pinakita kita dito sa video ha, pag sa mga darating na video.
Salamat maganda.
Sige.
Salamat.
Bye.
May Facebook ka ba?
Ha?
May Facebook ka?
Oo.
Ang pangalan mo doon?
Abredero din.
Abrodero.
Oo.
Sige.
Yun yung pinaka ano ko.
Pinaka-ano mo yun.
Pinaka Facebook ko.
Sige, sige.
Look at that. That's a long bike. It is so good. They have a big town center here in Lismore. So basically, I bought a bike tube, and then I pumped the tire of the bike, and then I eat in the Filipino shop, which is nice. And we are going again. According to Google Map, it's around 2 hours and 30 minutes, but for sure it's going to be like 4 hours with my relaxed and easy bike ride. The time now is 2:30, and we'll see you